Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mubashir and we are going through iOS development course. So in this video we'll be discussing about the variables, okay, how to store data in a variable, because developing apps is nothing but storing data, manipulating them and showing that onto a mobile app. So this is what we have done in our previous video. Okay, now what I'll do is I'll just clear this all and I will create a variable which stands with var is nothing but variable here. So we can give any name to our variable, but remember it should be meaningful. Okay, for example, I'll give this a name as greeting, which is var greeting equals you can store any type of data in this. For example, let us store a string is nothing but characters, okay, a group of characters, like we have English sentences, right? So English sentences are nothing but characters here, nothing but a sentence, normal sentence. So good morning, hope you are doing fine. So this is what I have stored in greeting variable. Now to print this, I will just write print, and in the parenthesis I will give the name of the variable. So the name of the variable is greeting, and in greeting this thing is stored. So now when I run this, you will get an output of good morning, hope you are doing fine. Okay, now there are two type of variables, okay, not variables, but we call this as data types or something. So we also have a let keyword in this. With using let keyword also we can make variables, but those are not variables, there are constants. To be precise, what I am saying is let for example name equals Mubashir, okay, print name. So what is the difference in var and let us see that. So good morning, hope you are doing fine, okay, Mubashir, okay. Now what I will do is I will change this greeting equals good night, okay. So greeting is now changed to good night. Now let us print this again, print greeting. Now let us run this. Good morning, hope you are doing fine is printed when the data in greeting is not changed, but after changing the data in the greeting, which is good night, we are again printing it. Now this is good night. Okay, after this line, the code on the fifth line, after that fifth line, whenever you access greeting, the output will be as good night. Okay, now let us try to do the same with name variable. Name is equals to Shahrukh Khan. Now what I'll do is I'll try to run this. This is showing me an error which says cannot assign value name is a let constant, which means things which you don't want to change even in the future, you can directly declare those variables with the let keyword. That makes the whole variable as a constant. Now as I'm trying to rename this, this is giving me a suggestion that change the let to var. When you click on this fix button, the let will be changed to var. Now this code is absolutely correct. Now when you click on this run button, you won't get any error, and the name will be, let me print this, Shahrukh Khan. So these are variables. So hope you enjoyed the video. This is all about variables, and we'll be making more videos on Swift language, and we have much more to come. I will see you in the next one. Until then, bye bye.